Hello, back again. Thought I'd do a little bit of a recap because it's been a while. What I've been doing, this here bottom arm, didn't realise but you have to clearance it when it moves up. The end of the gearbox sits about here, so what you have to do is cut off the bar, move it up, re-weld it. So I took the opportunity to have it powder coated and I put poly bushes and stuff in it and a new shiny ball joint. And obviously it's in temporarily. Thought I'd show you. So that one's in there. Sits on those two. Down there, you can see you have to cut the edge of the gearbox so it'll clear. I'll show you this on this other one. It's a spare gearbox. You have to cut that corner off there like that. So across there, take not half of the bolt but a bit less, otherwise you end to into the casing. Another thing I thought I'd mention is the strength returns. Right. This is a standard gearbox. You can see in there. Can you see that? That bar going across. It's a standard gearbox. Now I've fitted limited slip diff in mine, so I now can't show you. Anyway, I will show you when I take it back out. Basically, you can see right through it. That bar isn't there when it's limited slip. So if somebody says, "Oh, this box got a limited slip diff," have a look. See the bar, standard diff. See through it, limited slip diff. Anyway, so what I've been doing, I had this powder coated, sort of like temporarily fitted, spaced from here. So put this one on, then go to this side, and you have to spacer this one out. So these, they just dropped in at the minute, but they just drop in. So you spacer them out so it drops in, so you've got the width. Now this one happens to come with different size aluminium spacers, but you could fashion some of them if you was making it yourself. It's not rocket science. Then spirit level, obviously, and then set the height of these with some spaces up and down. Obviously the lower side goes down and up, so you get your height. Obviously these aren't tightened up still, so that's near side of the curb, offside. And this particular one, that bolts up into there. There's two there, and there's going to be two here. Once I take the engine out, I can then get to drill these two, and then use the original bolt, an original bush, and that sits here, and then goes onto that back bolt for stability. I'll show you when it's back together. The other thing of difficulty is that is your coolant line. And that, see, that's your oil adapter fits on there with your oil to water cooler. Now that normally comes up straight to that with like a U. I can find it straight away. It was here. Anyway, I'll find it in a minute. So that, I think I'll have to cut this out. People do put remote oil coolers on, sort of down there, but I mean, if you're not killing it on a track, I mean, you can use them on tracks without doing it, so that's what I'm going to do for now. I might do it in the future, but not for now. And that ain't going to kill it, that little square triangle, so I'm going to cut a little piece. Might even drill a hole here, push the pipe through, not sure yet, but I will show you that. But that is one difficulty. It is tight here, not unsurpassable, but tight. The other thing is a gearbox. Now, on the standard Type R, that's your gate, and that's your first, second, gate moves up, third, fourth, and again to the top, fifth, sixth. You get the thing. So cable goes through here, gate left and right, that's fine. One goes here, first, second. Now the Lotus, because the gear sticks down there, and the Type R, the gear sticks usually here, it's backwards. So you're pulling when you're pushing and pushing when you're pulling. Now people tend to make brackets down here, but that's getting rid of this weight, and I think Honda designed that. So a normal cable will fit here, and I have to put something here, like a flip flop on it, so when it pulls it pushes, and some joints or something like that. Can't be that hard, can it? I'll figure that out. Also put a breather on there, because that's all that is. Right, stop for now. Right, doing now, I have this off. This is your top suspension mount. I made it powder coated. You see the side of the old rusty. Thought I'd give it a birthday. So I've also built this, which is ACF 50 basically. In the world of aeroplanes, which I mess about with as well, ACF 50 is like a kiddie for aluminium, to stop it rotting. You put it in the wings of aircraft for the aluminium. It stops the corrosion, stops the water and things like that getting to it. It's fantastic for aluminium. Just it'll stay there as well. You can get it wet and it will stay there. So I would only recommend using that stuff. You can get spray cans of it as well, but the grease obviously leaves a thicker barrier. But just put that on there and see you in a bit. Right, the reason you move this bar, hang on, the suspension arm, is that's the gearbox. You need clearance there. I know that's a lot of deflection for the suspension, but last thing you want to do is hitting your arms on your gearbox. So just get clearance there. So you need to move it. Visual position is about there, so it's about 1.5 inches. Give you some movement. Right, so got the arm in eventually. Just reassembling this bit, and I thought as I go on YouTube, not enough arms in here. Where are we? Get your camber shims, different sizes. Obviously the camber on the rear wheel. These are standard shims in here at the minute. And if you want to alter them, obviously you can take these out. Straight line stability, great. More camber, great for cornering. Easy ties out a straight line. Up to you. These bolts though, they got different tensile strengths. This is an 8.8 with standard one. Is not unknown to snap. It's not a good idea, so it's recommended on the forums to upgrade. So look on the end, that's 12.9, it's probably a bit overkill this. 9.9, 10.6, something like that. Do you do this without enough arms? I apologise for this. So these sit in there. You got that up. I'll show you in a minute. So assembled, that's what it looks like. I've only put this together temporary because I have to undo it to get the drive shafts in. So just hold it for now. Don't forget your anti-corrosion schmoop. Not keen on copper slip myself, but each to their own. The other thing, these bottom arms, they snap as well. This is the uprated one. It's got a much better joint at the bottom there, much better joint there, and you get this. You don't have this normally, it's just a bolt through. So this gives this support from both sides, which is a much better idea, and you get these little pins. So which mine was on for about 50 mile. It's worked loose, so I'm going to drill them through and nylock them. And stainless steel, so you can different, left and right hand thread either end, so you can turn it and it adjusts the tracking on the back end. And obviously you can look at different tracking for different cars, different Lotus Elises, and they have different characteristics. So if you're tracking them or straight lining them and stuff like that. So anyway, I'm just putting that back together.